So hey my guys, it's Pink Vanshika. So you may be very astonished कि मैं अभी मेकअप करके क्यों बैठी हूँ. Yes, मैंने ये लास्ट लुक में करा था and उसके बाद I'm doing a full makeup look और उसमें I'm going to do a star girl makeup look 90s वाला kind of blue eye shadows, you know. So पहले मैं इसे हटा लेती हूँ and then we'll start it. So guys, I've removed my makeup और मैंने oil से हटाया तभी मेरा face भी like oily हो रखा है. So here are some of my reference. As you can see, my face is already so much moisturized. So let's just start with the makeup. Going with the concealer here and a lot of concealer because concealer is must. And the contour. Go in with the translucent product. Now my nose contour because I just feel like I should do it. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow part. I'm using this very pretty blue shade. That is dark because I like dark glittery things. Look at this shade guys, it's amazing, so pigmented. Look how perfect this is looking. Guys, here I use some blue glitter. Okay, size में मैंने silver करा था पहले but वो खराब हो गया तो मैंने blue कर लिया. Let's do my brows here. So right now I'm going to use my nude lipstick only. And lots of lip liner. My video is done. As you can see, my makeup is looking so flawless and beautiful. So I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new latest videos. Bye guys, have a nice day.